IBM Planning Analytics, powered by TM1, is fantastic at handling complex data hierarchies. It's what allows enterprises to tackle detailed analytics. But when it comes to bringing these hierarchies into Power BI, things can get tricky. Usually, it involves a lot of manual work to reformat the data to fit Power BI's tabular structure. That's quite a puzzle, isn't it? And this is where most of the time gets spent, trying to make sure you don't lose any valuable data details. Now, let's introduce TMVGate. Designed to make this process much simpler. With TMVGate, you can bypass the cumbersome restructuring process, enabling a direct and efficient transfer of hierarchical data from TM1 to Power BI. In this video, we'll demonstrate how TMVGate respects the original complexity and integrity of your TM1 data, eliminating the need for potentially compromising data transformations. Now, assuming that we have already loaded our data into Power BI using TMVGate, which is our TM1 to BI Tools connector, this should be what we see in Power BI. What we see is a visualization of sales value by region. Now, the value has been loaded in the table view. This is the loaded data in the model view. We should note that there are no relationship links made yet. Now, going back to our TM1 interface, this is the region hierarchy we are trying to copy over from TM1 to Power BI. To bring the hierarchy data over to Power BI, let's open TMVGate. Click on Create Get Hierarchy URL. Select desired dimension name and subset name from your TM1 data. Select PSV as the format. Select Generate Get Hierarchy URL. A URL is generated. Select Copy to copy the URL. Back at Power BI, under the Home ribbon, select Get Data, then Web. Paste the copied URL here and select OK. And there we have a preview of the loaded hierarchy data. Notice that the first row is incorrect? We will need to do slight transformation of the data. To do that, we select Use First Row as Headers, then Close and Amp, Apply. Back in Model View, a relationship is automatically created between our existing data and the newly loaded hierarchy data. Now, we will need to create a hierarchy for our existing data. Let me just do that quickly. Once we've done that, we'll insert a slicer. Now let's add the region hierarchy to the slicer. Observe how the hierarchy is easily exported into the slicer. And here we have the finished product. So that was a quick and easy demonstration of how we transfer dimension hierarchies from IBM Planning Analytics to Power BI with TMVGate. For more details or to take TMVGate for a spin with a free trial, head over to our website, or drop us an email at info@itlink.com.sg. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel to keep up with our regular content updates. I'll catch you in the next video.